It's Friday, and you know what that means. I'm Richard Tubb, back here in the Tubbservatory, keeping my eyes open for the tools and resources that can help you to grow your IT business. So without any further ado, here are my 5 a week from the managed service provider space. What's the secret to scaling your MSP in 2025? Well, a video that caught my eye is from the next generation MSP platform, SuperOps, who have announced some game-changing new features to propel your MSP's journey. The new features to the SuperOps platform enhance efficiency, boost productivity, and fuel MSP growth. And the fun part about this video is you'll get to meet the product masterminds at SuperOps who will give you the inside scoop of what's cooking for 2025. Your questions are horrible, so says Juan Fernandez from SuperOps in an interview with James Steele for the Harvest MSP Sales Show. Fernandez and Steele discuss why successful MSPs should never pitch. They should position themselves as problem solvers instead. The best MSPs don't sell, says Fernandez. They become indispensable. If you're struggling with low close rates or price objections, then this episode will change how you approach MSP sales. The time has come for IT mentoring, says MSP legend Karl Palachuk. Palachuk has announced a new Reddit around mentoring in the IT industry. The initiative is to facilitate more discussions about IT career paths and how older and more experienced folks can help the younger, less experienced folks make the most of working in IT. The big goal is to help mentees become more professional, avoid unnecessary mistakes, and embrace this wonderful industry as a powerfully good part of their life. Here's a new book I'm reading. The Productivity Diet is written by productivity expert Mike Vardy. And in the book, Vardy challenges the traditional more is better mindset and instead offers a sustainable approach to productivity, one that prioritizes effectiveness over efficiency and quality over quantity. And finally, a reminder that I'll be in Manchester on Tuesday the 6th of May 2025 for the big MSP SuperSummit Manchester event. Organised by SuperOps, the SuperSummit event has built a top reputation for no vendor pitches, strong peer community networking, and practical real-world advice for MSPs. Attendance for SuperSummit Manchester is open to all MSPs and registration is free. So if you have not already made plans to be in Manchester, make them now. I'm Richard Tubb and that has been your 5 a week from the Tubbservatory. I'll see you back here next week.